Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and very easy baby blanket. You can use both sides. I made a simple border and blanket itself is very simple. It's just moss stitch but square shape. For this one I used Utopia Crafts Cuddle yarn. I'm gonna show it to you clearly. Okay. It's a super chunky category 6 yarn, 100% microfiber polyester, and one ball is 100 grams, 60 meters. It's so soft, and I use less than 5 balls for this newborn blanket. It's 74 centimeters square, and with this yarn I use a 12 millimeter crochet hook. If you are a loose hand crocheter, you can use 10 millimeter. It's just 25 rows, so I finished it in 3 hours maybe. But I'm a professional, as you know, and I didn't make anything else except this. I just made a few coffee. It will take maybe 2 days for a starter. Trust me. So hope you like this one too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. If you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot and make 4 chains. Insert from this first chain and join with a slip stitch. And that's our ring. We are going to work into this ring. Chain 1. Without yarning over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 2. By the way, I'm working around the tail, okay? Just put it around the ring, work around it. 1, 2 chains, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, pull through 2. 2 chains, make 1 more, chain 2, and make 1 more single crochet. Okay. Now chain only 1. Instead of chaining 2 and joining from the stitch, we are gonna join with a single crochet. Okay, chain 1, insert into the stitch. That's the chain. We are not gonna count this as anything. Insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our last corner or first corner. It's up to your imagination. Now just pull this yarn, close this ring. Okay, we will hide this later. Now chain 1, insert into this space here, put a single crochet. Chain 1, only 1. Okay, insert into this next corner, put a single crochet. Chain 2, because that's the corner, into the same place put one more single crochet, chain one, and into the corner put a single, chain two, one more single, chain one, into this last corner put a single, chain two, one more, and into this corner we only made one single crochet. We are gonna make the second one now. Put a single, chain one, insert from the stitch and join with a single crochet. For the row 3 we are gonna start with a chain and make a single crochet into the corner, then chain one, and we have a one chain space here. We are gonna insert into this space, put a single crochet, chain one, and into the corner make the corner, chain two, one more single crochet, chain one, into this one chain space put a single, chain one, into the corner make two singles, sorry, one single crochet, two chains, one more single crochet, chain one, and repeat the same thing till the end. Chain one, we're gonna make one last single crochet here, chain one, and into the stitch I'm gonna put a single crochet, and that's our repeat. We had only one single crochet for the first row, then two, then three, then 4, 5, 6, and it will keep going with this way. I'm gonna show you one more row. Chain one, insert here, put a single, chain one, we have two spaces right now, into the first one put a single, chain one, and put one more single, chain one, make the corner. Making the last one, chain one, chain with a single crochet, and we will keep making the same thing for how many rows? I'm gonna make, I think, 24 rows. It will be bigger than 70 centimeters. It will be a newborn blanket for me. You can make it as long as you want, but important thing is it's be better to make your row counts an even number. Okay, I'm gonna explain you in a second why we need this. Just make it bigger than we are gonna make the border. I made 24 rows. Okay, now it's, let me check, 28 inch, 71 centimeter, of course square. Now we will make the border. For the row 24 you will have 24 single crochets, as we talked before. And if you start count from this corner, you will have 25 chain spaces till here. Okay, we need an odd number for chain spaces. I joined with a single crochet again, and I will directly start from here, this time chain 3 as a double crochet. Into this same place, I'm gonna make a double crochet, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I will make one more. Now insert into this first space and make a single crochet. Insert into this next one chain space, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the next space, put a single crochet. Insert into the next space, make 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and into this next space put a single crochet, and repeat this till the corner. I'll meet you there. Okay, almost at the end. I made the last shell before the corner. There's one more space. I'm gonna put a single crochet here, and for the corner we will make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. Into the next space, put a single. And turn around the blanket's body with shells. You're gonna make shells with 3 double crochets for here, and for the corner you will make 5 double crochets. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end. If you remember, we made 3 double crochets here. Now we are gonna make 2 more. And insert from this 3rd chain, join with a slip stitch, make one more chain, cut the yarn, and hide it. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.